Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's start with password, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now to enter password, enter at least 4 characters, sorry. Next, let's select PIN, and to create PIN, enter 4 to 16 numbers, and again use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, you can go to biometrics. The first biometric is fingerprint unlock. Tap add fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position, so the sensor can scan different parts of your fingerprint. Now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's go to face unlock. Tap start. Next. And scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Simply swipe up and your phone is unlocked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.